Hola, sexy tangueras! On Flourishing Feet video number 6, we'll kick your feet up. Please be sure to watch videos number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's do this! Starting with the body weight on your right, I will send the left leg to the side, doing the circle, and at first I'm going up to the cross, opening the left shoulder and the left leg is front. From here I will go up to send the leg and kick on the air in front of me with the position of opening the left foot. Straight line back, passing by feet together. I will go to the position of the back voleo, opening the right shoulder. After I feel this position, left leg back, right shoulder open, kick to create the voleo. From here, I will kick front in open position again and wrap to the cross, and you can lower the foot. Be sure to open the shoulders all the time to make it work and to look with the torso to the front, and hip is changing the angle. So we'll go up again, opening the knee, rotate, pivot to send the leg straight front, pivot a little more, opening the right shoulder to go back by feet together. Use the contra body to go to the back voleo position. From here, feet together, let's go to the kick in open position, and I will wrap, moving the hips to the front, opening the left shoulder back and lower. One more time. Side with the right. Let's cross first. Going up, opening the hips to kick, to keep going by feet together to the back voleo. From back voleo, I will kick front and wrap to the cross and down. Going up, rotate, cross, extension, back voleo, front, kick, and wrap to the cross. Thanks for watching the video.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel down below.